flipping glass without pouring water experiment. For that we need a glass, water, one bowl and plate, and this piece. First we pour water until overflow in the cup comes. Can you see the end? Go slightly down. You can see some little bit of water in there without pouring in the out of the glass. This is called surface tension. Now I got to take this. This is happening because of surface tension. When the surface of the water gets tight and gets compressed here, the plate sticks to the tumbler because of the surface tension. The outside air pressure makes the cardboard piece hold the water. Now, boom, boom, boom.